Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to deploy WLSDM to the latest Oracle WebLogic Server 14c, which is 14.1.2. Let's download WLSDM from the download page. Okay, now it's going to download it. For the installation, let's have a look. README file. In the README file, on left, click on installation. Installation is really easy. Anymore, there are two parts. One is for WebLogic Server 14.1.2 and later, and the other one is the earlier versions, because after Oracle WebLogic Server 14.1.2 things are changed. WebLogic Administration Console is not available anymore. Before, WLSDM was working as a console extension under WebLogic Admin Console, but anymore it's working as standalone. We have downloaded package. Let's go back terminal. I have a domain which is named WLS14c domain. Let's go to domain home. This is my domain home folder. Let's open create folder which is named. Okay, a folder which is named WLSDM version 4.1.2. This is my installation file. Let's copy the agent file. Okay, I have completed this one. So for the manage server, I need to add these paths. Let's go to the WebLogic Remote Console and click on Environment Servers. I have one managed server. Click on Advanced and then Node Manager tab. Then you can add here. So replace the path to your managed server. Just replace path to correct value. Okay, that's it. On save and go to cart and click on commit change. This console is WebLogic Remote Console. You need to connect your WebLogic domain through this application. You can download from GitHub. It's an open source project. Okay, we have completed number 2. Now we need to restart manage server. Now we need to deploy WLSDM. There are two options available. One is through Remote Console and one is through WLSD. I'll show you how to do it through WebLogic Remote Console. Just check this screenshot as a reference and follow the numbers on the screenshot. Click on edit and then deployments, application deployment, click on new and give a name. I'm going to give name. Choose admin server. You need to deploy to admin server. My file is already on server war. This is my war application. Click on PID. You need to give the full path. Click on create. And after that, click on commit change, committed. Let's go back to monitoring tree. Click on deployments, application management. And if you click on start, I'm expecting to access WLSDM console, which is context path is vConsole, and that's it. So we have deployed WLSDM successfully through WebLogic Remote Console. So let's access to WLSDM console. The context path anymore. Just replace the admin server in my example, which is localhost, because I'm running it on my computer on my PC, and my admin server port is 7001. And that's it. We have installed WLSDM successfully. When you click on link sign in, quick configuration wizard going to be available. In the next tutorial screencast, I'll show you how to complete WLSDM quick configuration wizard. Thanks for watching and have a good day.